Alam mo ba na yung sikat na hotpot restaurant sa Korea na perfect for solo diners ay may branch na rin sa Mall of Asia? Hello, I'm Drysel Tita! And I'm here at Shaburo 21 located sa ground floor North Wing ng SM Mall of Asia. Sobrang famous sa Korea ng restaurant na to at bukod nga sa menu, talagang ginawa nilang almost similar yung aesthetic interior and vibe nitong first branch nila dito sa Pinas. To order, scan nyo lang yung QR code, tapos select nyo lang yung bet nyo dun sa menu. Meron silang mga hotpot sets, kagaya nitong half and half na complete shabu set. It comes with two types of broth, meat, veggies, noodles, sauces, and rice for the porridge. Sa mga k-drama ko lang nakikita to ha, at in fairness, okay pala talaga siyang pang happy ending. Meron din nga pala silang donburi and may order their best-selling gyudon. Sa set na to, meron ka ng beef, rice, and kimchi. At ikaw pa mismo ang magluluto sa cute na pot na to. Sweet and savory yung sauce, tender yung meat, at for me, masarap talaga yung gyudon nila. We also tried their buckwheat cold noodles. Malaki ang serving and light lang yung soup base. For dessert naman, we tried their hotdog with vanilla ice cream at in fairness, masarap din to for me. Perfect ang Shaburo 21 for everyone, especially for solo diners. Kaya kung nag-crave kayo ng hot pot, try nyo na rin.